Temi. This is Temi. Now support me. You don't know if you do this thing, you're not supposed to be care. Yes, so then what we have to you guys on our channel, we have many things. Many things. When at the holiday go, are you ready to like seriously sit down here? We get many things for you guys. Come on. We have many things for you guys. Yes. Just sit, relax, watch, take your juice, try to digest it. We're bringing everything for you guys. Thank you so much. I don't really have anything to say.
It's not a must for you to have money before you can spend time with your child. Take them to garden, play with them. Take them to library, take books, read for them. Those child will always appreciate it.
Okay, who plays more? Who plays more?
We're outside or inside?
Anywhere, at home, who play with each other too much. I could not carry guys along with me in that market because today is Saturday, so when it's Saturday, just see many people in this market. Like it's so full, so I could not carry guys along with me. I'm so sorry. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got there now. So let us go.
You are ready to carry a baby. If there are times that I used to forget something, you are not recommended for that contraceptive pills at all. So let me talk about the second one, which is implants. We have 2 implants for contraceptives. Yeah, you have 2 contraceptives implants. One, you can take it from your heart, which is arm implant, and the second one, vaginal implant.
What you don't have, Sha, you need to come out to buy it. Let's go and pay. We are back home, so I'll go on now and prepare my beans for moi moi. So let's go. Mamma mia.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm going to get this. I think I'm going to go home now. You want to buy anything again? Oh, I don't know. Let's go. I always admire this air fryer whenever I see it online. They are saying some 150, some 200. I was like, and I really love this air fryer. When am I going to get it?
And here with you, that's all I need. There's no one I'd rather.
So I'm going to add my bell pepper. I used yellow and green pepper. I did not add any red pepper at all. So you don't need to add water if you want to fry any ingredients for fried rice. Trust me, as you are frying it, they are still going to come out. I mean, a lot of water is going to come out from what you are frying. Like, this pizza was everything. It's so sweet and more than the ones I'm buying, trust me. So I'm trying to spread this flour on my air fryer well. Then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Can you see that it's well mixed? So I'm going to go on and add my tomato paste. I'm going to spread everything well. I did not have that brush that I use to spread things, so I'm just trying to use my spoon as much as I can. Yeah. So in today's video, we are going to prepare a goosey soup in another dimension. So I have my orishiorishi here. This is my cow skin. I have my dry fish here. I got my egusi, everything I need to be prepared for a goosey soup. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch this video. I'm not going to talk much in this video, but I'm using this moment to ask you guys a question in this channel. Please, should I continue posting video like this, like cooking video, or I should open another channel for my vlog? Please let me know on the comment section, and see you guys on my next video. Bye. Sometimes I always go to work early, sometimes, for my goodness sake. But in today's video, I was so exhausted because I work. We have too much of order. So anytime we have too much of order like that, I always help her in the kitchen. The work I applied for is what's called isococa, which is the one that help chef in the kitchen. Being a woman is not easy, but you got to do it. After you care of the house, of the kids, everything, you got to go work at night. I really love going to work. I'm not complaining. This is what I love doing. Yeah. And for the first time, my name is Temi, and you're welcome to my best of family. Yeah. So in today's video, we are going to fix our Christmas tree together, which is called Abel de la Tale. So yeah, I got this little rug here for 15 euro because I want to put my Christmas tree on top. Yeah, so we are going to fix this together. Finally, I've got our permanent Christmas tree. So this is the rice I got. It's called President rice. People have been recommending this rice, so I want to try it. I pray that it should give me what I want to. I got it for 32 euros. It's 10 kilo. So I want to try the rice out.
How far? Yeah, how next time? How you day?
How far you there? How far you there? How far you there?
It's beautiful, yeah. Everything's complete. The knife, the chopping board, everything. Like, I love it. This is the place for knife. As a matter of fact, I can still have some knife joint this top. Alright, so let's go to the second package. Yeah. So this is the next one. I held up for this set of pots.
Happy birthday to you, Fanny. Happy birthday to